Hey guys, welcome back, and today I wanted to do a quick video on this Baba stock, and this is a trade that we took. We ended up cutting this trade because of a few factors that I didn't see were happening. So you cut and you move on. So number one, the whole point of this trade idea was to trade a breakout on this trade. So you can see the previous breakouts right here. I was expecting the same thing. However, you can see how this trend line keeps pushing Baba further down, down, down. We can see right here, we tried to break out of this trend line. You can see right there, we tried to break out of this trend line. We got to about 146, and again this key resistance played a key role right here, about 143, where we've been facing a lot of resistance from previous times. This was a breakout right here. You can see tried to be a support here, ended up being a resistance. So here we are again. It's the same place where we keep failing. So in this trade, we got in. The whole expectation was to play a breakout play from this to the upside. However, the way things turned out, the volume was not cooperating. Number one, we saw a huge sell-off going on right here. So that kind of gave me like the 50-50s on this trade. Is it gonna work and all that type of stuff? My expectation was green continuous volume. Now look at this week. I'm still not seeing buyers step in the way I want them to step in. And some may say, well, it's consolidating right here. And that's true. It is consolidating right above here, 131 area. Above that, it's still trying to consolidate that. However, we need volume. We need the volume to confirm that it's actually going to be a breakout play, because if it doesn't break out with low volume and very high selling volume and low buying volume, then we may end up going further down on this trade. Now, few things that I'm watching moving forward is if either we'll have incoming green volume suggesting that buyers are noticing the trade, they're getting in on either buying shares or buying call options and so on and so forth. However, until that point in time, then I'll be able to change my thought on this, because right now it's still not giving me the probabilities or the confidence that I need to be able to go back into the trade. So right now we did cut this trade. It turned out to be a loss. We move on. It didn't work out, and we look for other opportunities to trade. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys today. This is more or less of a lessons learned type of trade. I mean, if you're playing breakouts, what to look out for, look at the volume. Are we getting buyers? Are we getting more sellers? If you're getting more buyers, it's gonna actually break out of this and push further up. However, if we turn out to get more sellers and break this 131 area, you are definitely sure that it's going to push much lower. So until then, Baba, we currently don't have that position. It's closed out. It's closed out for a loss. We move on. So until then, the trade itself confirms itself by having buyers, it's really a no-go zone for me. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Hope you learned something from this, and we'll catch you on the next one.